Hello students, today we are going to study chapter number 2, which is electrostatic potential and its capacitance. Before we are proceeding towards chapter number 2, I would like to inform you about some basics regarding this chapter that you study in chapter number 1, which was electric charge and in elect electric field. So here I already asked you some questions regarding that, and the first question was regarding law of conservations that you nicely answered. It's law of conservation of charge, law of conservation of energy, law of conservation of momentum. Okay, but in physics we are considering only three fundamental particles, which is electron, proton, and a neutron. As you know that electron is negatively charged particle, proton is positively charged particles, and neutron is chargeless particle. Okay, now here we have some common word, which is charges. Means what? Charge we can consider as a basic particle. So it has two type. First one is positive charge and the second one is negative charge. Positive charge basically symbolized by plus q, and negatively charged particle symbolized by minus q. You can write capital or small, it doesn't matter. Okay, one more question I asked regarding bar magnet. When two bar magnets come closer to each other, then attraction and repulsion observed. That you nicely answered me. Okay, chalo. Now we are moving towards one more basics. See, when charge particle while we are putting on rest, in that case it produce one type of imaginary field. This is known as electric field. Here I draw one field regarding positive charge, and here I draw one more diagram regarding negative charge. Here also it produces a field surround these charges. Now remember, while positive charge produce a field, in that case field produce outside, means it is moving away from charge, like this you can see in diagram. And regarding negative charges, the field is moving towards the charge, so you can observe over here in ray diagram like this. Okay, now by nature you know that while we are putting a positive and positive charge particles come closer to each other, in that case repulsion occur. Similarly, while we are putting positive charge particle and negative charge particle at certain distance, in that case attraction occur. You already know that. Based on this, our scientist named Coulomb, he presented one law, and the law is electrostatic force. Remember, here it is F means electrostatic force, which is directly proportional to product of their charges and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Here I already mentioned the equation of this force. Over here K stands for proportionality constant. You can replace K by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, where epsilon naught stands for permittivity of the medium. Friends, this is chapter number 1 law, so at present it is not important for you, but you should know about its basics. Okay, chalo, come back to electric field again. Here we can see electric field, the diagram of electric field over here. Now it is also described by one simple definition, and the definition is force per unit charge. Electric field is a scalar, a vector quantity, and it is written by F upon Q, force per unit charge. Okay, and it is always produced around the charges, but remember, while the charge should be on rest position, means it is a stationary. Fine. Now it has a unit also. Force means Newton and Q means coulomb. So unit of electric force is Newton per coulomb. Okay friends, in this video that's it. You please write this note in your notebook and send me on my WhatsApp number. Next video we will see tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.